Welcome to EZLOGZ. This video is part of a series of training videos with helpful and in-depth information on our products. Find out how EZLOGZ can increase your fleet performance and save money. Unidentified driving. Enter the Safety menu. And the item ELD on the left menu. Select the section ELD Unidentified Logs. Opposite the desired log, click 3 vertical dots. Select the command Assign Driving Event, where, in a separate window, after selecting the ELD driver and type accession, press the Assign command. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch with our support, which is available 24/7.